alarm system with a free doorbell camera, so I just need to confirm. Are you the homeowner?
Oh, yeah.
If we gave you a state-of-the-art wireless home security and automation system with no upfront cost, I'm sure you'd use that, right?
I'd have a boner.
So, are you the homeowner?
Yes.
If we gave you a state-of-the-art wireless home security and automation system with no upfront cost, I'm sure you'd use that, right?
Yes.
Hold on just a second and let me get one of our security specialists on the phone, okay?
Okay. Hello? Habib? Hello? Can you hear me? Hello?
Thanks for holding on. This is Smart Alarms. How are you?
I'm handsome. How are you?
You're handsome?
Yes. How you doing?
All right.
You got an alarm for me?
I'm doing well. Thanks for asking.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm from Alarm Company. How are you?
Great.
All right. Well, you're a call transferred over to me, and I'll be assisting you. So currently, do you have an active alarm system, or would it be the first time for you?
Yes.
You have it, or you don't?
I'm going to get one from you, right?
All right. Yeah. No problem. Let's make your home the safest it can be. So the current promotion that we have, we are introducing this 5G Honeywell Pro City Sound System, which is considered as the finest in the market for some of the perks and features that this system has. So before I proceed, I would like to confirm, do you own the home?
Yes.
And from how long you have been residing in it?
I don't know, 5 years?
All right. Now, can I have your zip code first to see the availability of this promotion in your area?
19382.
And what's your complete address?
It's 69 Harry Avenue.
Henry Avenue, and what's your zip code?
19382.
19382?
Yeah. Are you
All
gonna?
right.
Do you come over and
69
install it?
Henry Avenue.
Yeah. Do you come over and install it?
Yeah, I'm the one who's going to come to install it. Yeah. But
Okay.
if you give me the correct address, then I'll be able to come. But why are you giving me the wrong address?
That is my address. You gonna come over
No,
here?
that's not your address. It's the wrong address.
I don't know. That's what.
What?
That's what the number on the door is. Are you gonna come over here?
Yeah, that's the number of the door. No, you are giving me the wrong address. I'm not sure why. Why are you doing this?
Okay. I thought you might come over here and suck my cock.
To do what?
Gonna come over here and suck my cock.
Suck your cock. Why?
'Cause
Don't you have wife, sister, daughter?
No, I have you.
No.
Are you not into sucking other
If you
men's?
suck mine, so I can come.
Oh yeah, that would be great.
No, if you suck mine, I can come.
I would love that.
You will do that?
Yeah. Are you gonna? Can I suck your cock? Hello? Sir? Sir? Come on. Are you still there? Come on.